Hello guys, good morning and welcome back. Alright, so I believe most fashion designers are looking for how to monetize their Facebook page, right? And then most of us in Nigeria, we have been looking forward to enable for Uncle Mark to enable Nigeria, to make Nigeria eligible for monetization. So they proposed that it was meant to be this June that just is about to end now, but so far we have not gotten any notification that Nigerians are now eligible to be monetized. Then what is the next step forward? Now, for how long we will be waiting to get Nigeria eligible for monetization? So the answer is not known to anyone. So the best thing for us to do is to start the process of monetization before Nigeria becomes eligible. Now, I have made several videos on this initially, and I have listed the criteria or the requirements that we need to get monetized on Facebook. Now, this video is solely made for Facebook monetization. Now, the first thing to do is to make sure you have a page. Now, a page could be created. Now, to create a page is so easy. It's just for you to sign up from your profile, go to pages and do sign up and create your page. And before you create your page, you must have made sure you know the kind of content that you will be dishing out on the page. Now, to create content is a different topic altogether. But let us now focus on the main thing, which is how to get your page monetized. Now, the first criteria is that you must have 5,000 followers, 5K followers on Facebook before you could think of applying for monetization. Now, when you have 5K followers, now the next thing to do or to have is you must have 60,000 watch minutes. What does this mean? It means that people must have watched your videos for 60,000 minutes, right? Now, these processes or these requirements could be achieved under a month, 2, 3, or 4, even in a year. It all depends on how viral and how the kind of content you make, like the niche that you choose to make. Now, being a fashion designer should not limit your content to fashion design alone. You could diversify by creating other viral content. Now, the next thing to do or to have is that you must have 5 active videos, meaning you must have posted at least 5 videos on your platform. Now, when you have gotten these requirements, then what next are you going to do? Now, for those of us in Nigeria, you will see where the setup button will come up. Please don't click on the setup button. That button is only available for you to click when you are in an eligible country, right? So the best thing to do is to look for someone in an eligible country, make him the admin of your page, make him the person or make her the admin of your page, hand over the page to him or her. Then when you create videos, you will not send to him or the person through Telegram. Give him the title, the description, and the hashtags that will be used for the post, and let the person help you to post. Now, once the person makes 2 or 3 posts, he will not be the one to apply for your monetization. Please don't apply if you're in Nigeria, except you want to enter what they call pre-enroll. Pre-enroll are or is the process where you are not in an eligible country and you have applied. You are now waiting. Whenever your country gets eligible, they will now consider you to be eligible for Facebook monetization. So once you have gotten these steps clearly, give the page to someone abroad to manage for you while you be the person doing the content. And before you hand over the page to someone, please, there should be a written MOU. There should be a written agreement between you, the content creator, and the manager, for you guys to know what duration that he will manage the page, what are the terms of agreement for how long, for how many videos will he or she post for you in a week, you know, the earnings, the percentage of sharing, all these things must be written on the agreement. So if you want to know more, I have a pet class on Facebook monetization and also YouTube monetization. So if you feel this video is what you want to know more about, feel free to come to my DM, message me on my personal profile at Ajoku J Justice or the number on the screen on this video. Send me a message and tell me you want to learn more on Facebook and YouTube monetization. I will guide you through the steps on how to go about it. Now, there is a proven formula method I used to get my page monetized. Now, one trick, one of the formulas I use, which I will tell you here, there are about 5 of them. I will tell you 1 or 2, then the rest will be on the pet class. That's if you are interested. Now, the first formula I did was I made sure that I make a short clip of all my works and post on Reels. Now, Reels is like a public platform where people that are not your friends or your followers will see your videos. Now, these videos will attract them to come to your page. Now, when they come, they tend to follow your page, like your page, comment. By so doing, your page engagement increases. And once your page engagement increases, your visibility keeps on increasing. Your algorithm will be high. People that are not even on your followers list will be able to see your page on their personal profiles. This is one trick I use. Now, the next trick I use is I was doing DIYs. DIYs are hacks of how to do some certain things on fashion designing. Please bear in mind that it is not only particular to fashion designing. It could be for any brand, any field of study, any field of skill, any area at all. Even if you want to open a personal profile or a personal page rather for family content, it will still work, right? So for most of us whom are looking for a way to diversify their income, Facebook and YouTube monetization is the real deal. So make sure you follow up, catch up with the trending means or avenues to make money before it's crowded, right? I don't think as well it will be crowded, but then I would like us to join the queue now and start earning. 1 naira, 2 naira, $1, $2 is something when you make it. And some persons will ask me, how does Facebook pay? Now, Facebook payment is simple as ABCD. It is not like MMM or any Ponzi scheme, right? Now, the payment comes from the ads. When you watch videos, just the one you are watching now, I believe you must have seen 1 or 2 ads on this video, right? Either on the display or under display. So whichever one you see, this is where the money comes from. So when you post a video, and your video should have quality, high quality video that is not blurred or blurry, then Facebook, we place adverts. That's when you have applied for monetization and it has been approved, though. Bear in mind, right? Because there are 2 things here: to get the requirements first and to get approved when you apply for monetization. So when you are able to apply for the monetization and you have been approved or granted, then they will start paying you for every 1K views. How do they pay? Those adverts that placed on your videos will give you $3 in every 1K. That's when your video gets 1K views, you have gotten $3. It's called CPM, right? Now, some countries and some areas have different CPM. I think US and Australia have high CPM, which is around $2.85 or $3 depending. And also your video quality also contributes to the CPM you might be getting, right? So these are more are what you will learn in the third class. So if you're interested, don't miss this golden opportunity. Learn from someone whom is currently doing it, and I will guide you through the steps I took or the steps you will take for you to be able to earn from Facebook and also from YouTube. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, drop a heart emoji on this comment section of this video for this video to get to other people, because when my engagement is high, people tend to see my page often and also follow me. I will promise to show you guys more on how to earn on Facebook as well. Don't forget, this is Mr. Redefined. Thank you for watching.